Yeah, so I'm at the dollar store and I got these two baskets. I think they're super cute. I might just go ahead and buy them because they would fit perfectly for my laundry and cleaning supplies. So they look like this. I was looking for some colors. They only have either the black one or the white one. I kind of like the white one, but I don't know. I think I like the gray one better. It's prettier. Yeah. So I'll take these two and I can put my supplies in them. So yeah. So I got this one and I got shower curtain liner and a new shower curtain because I'm kind of tired of my old one. I didn't do my intro. Or did I? I need these. So I'm gonna buy some. Yeah. So I got one for, I'm gonna show y'all when I get home, explain to y'all what I got and what I got it for. But yeah, so I'm gonna see y'all later. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is another getting my life together. So I bought a couple of things to organize and just for things to look better. I will be clearing this part out like I showed y'all before at the dollar store. I got these baskets. They are gray, they're super cute, pretty spacious I feel like, but I think they're not spacious enough because these things, this is my laundry stuff and my detergent cleaning products, and they are bigger than I thought they were, so we'll see how this goes. So basket one, basket two. Do y'all think it looks better? All right, so this one is going to be my laundry and this one's gonna be like all my cleaning supplies and stuff like that. But like I said, I don't think my laundry is gonna take everything because I have this. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work out because I have this and I have this. like this already takes the whole thing. So I don't know. Because the thing is, I don't like when I'm doing laundry and I have to like carry all of this in my hand. So we'll just take this out and put it back in, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So here I'm gonna put all my cleaning supplies. So that is done. I mean, it's okay. It could be better, but we're gonna go in the bathroom. I'm gonna change my curtain and actually do some cleaning. This here is under my sink. I added this to the bottom and this is the best that I could do to organize it. This thing right here, I got it from the dollar store, super useful. So I'm gonna show y'all, I'm done with the bathroom for the most part. So I'll show you guys how it looks. I haven't changed anything here. Here I just removed some creams that I don't use and put all the product that I actually do use. I also got this from the dollar store. I'm so happy that I have it because like I needed something like that for my bath because like sometimes I don't have anything to do, so I like to watch like my shows or stuff like that, and putting it at the end of the bath is pretty risky, so I'm happy that I bought this. It was like what, $4 maybe? Yeah, it's $4. So this is the one that I got, the tablecloth. It was like 2 something, I think. No, it was 6 something. Yeah, and I feel like it goes with the aesthetic of my kitchen. So I got these. I bought 4. I also bought some new kitchen towels for, actually me, I use it for when I wash my dishes, because I have one but it needs a rest. It needs, hold on, yeah, because okay, oh, hold on. Okay, so like I said, I do have one but it does need a rest, so I bought these and I have 4 of these. So I got these for the house. Yeah, I got these for the house. So I got the fresh new whatever, and I have this one, but yeah, I got these 2. And also I got this basket like the other 2 that I showed you guys. This one is for under my sink. Oh, this is, oh wow, okay, this is longer than anticipated. Oh wow. Oh wow. I don't know why I bought so much. Like I only have 2. Nah, gladly. And I already took the tag off and everything for the future home. Yeah, 4 was definitely not necessary. 2 is plenty. Anyways, I'll keep the rest for next crib, next house. The color combo was prettier in the store. Now, honestly, I don't like it. So I'm gonna open these. This. Put one here and one here. One there, one there. So yeah, this is a new table, y'all. Wow, way smaller than I anticipated. But so I'm gonna go make some food and I'll be back. I think I finally understand why people love IKEA instructions so much, because excuse me, Mansfield, I bought 2 things from them, okay? And both, the first assembly was okay, it was not that bad, okay, or 2 or 3, but the instructions are a little doubtable, okay? But listen, what am I supposed to do with this? Like, I know it's logic, but I feel like with IKEA things you don't have to think, you know, you just follow the paper. Like, you kind of have to think. So anyways, I think I figured it out, so we'll try. At the end, if it crumbles, I want my money back. In this, I keep all like my grocery bags and garbage, like grocery bags that I can turn into garbage bags. So I'm gonna put this here. Better here. Under my sink cabinet, it looks a hot mess. Like, it's really not organized, nothing. At first, on this empty space, I had my bag full of grocery bags that I showed y'all. so now we are at the part where I am going to throw some clothes away. And yeah, we're just gonna go through these and start throwing things that I just don't wear. I threw out a couple of clothes. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put back everything that I washed. All the clothes that I washed, I'm gonna put them over here. So far my pile looks like this. Here are all my clean clothes. So I'm gonna grab all of this and like start putting these away. Okay, so it looks a hot mess right now, but don't worry, like I'll clean it and it'll be cute. Trying to find clothes can be a hassle. So anyways, this I'm keeping. Okay, so all of these I'm gonna give away, and all of these. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I folded all my clothes, organized them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and store them. All right, you guys, so I guess I'm gonna end the video here because the only thing that I have to do now is just bring this stuff to the like bin donations, and that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will definitely see you in my next one, which is coming pretty soon. Bye y'all.